Power BI for business owners. Make smarter decisions faster. Running a business isn't just about selling products or services. It's about managing multiple responsibilities every single day. You have to keep your customers engaged and satisfied. You need to ensure smooth workflows and efficient operations in the team. You have to attract new clients and grow your brand. You're constantly managing expenses, revenue, and budgeting, such as financial responsibilities. And on top of all that, you have to do data management for making smarter decisions. Why do business owners need data management skills today? In today's fast-paced business world, data is the key to making informed and successful decisions. Business owners who embrace data-driven decision-making have a competitive edge. Here's why. Better decision-making instead of relying on guesswork. Data allows you to understand customer needs, identify trends, and make decisions based on facts. With access to accurate, up-to-date information, you can improve your business operations. Cost and expense control. Managing business finances is one of the most critical tasks. By tracking expenses and monitoring financial performance, data-driven insights can help reduce unnecessary spending and improve profitability. Business growth and strategy. Data helps you identify areas where your business is excelling and areas where it needs improvement. This helps you create strategies for business growth, whether you're expanding your market reach or improving your product offerings. Improved customer insights. Understanding what your customers want is key to delivering exceptional products or services. By analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and feedback, you can make smarter marketing decisions and create better customer experiences. From stress to success. How Power BI changes the game. Running a business without the right tools can feel overwhelming. From managing finances to tracking customer behavior, it's easy to get lost in a sea of spreadsheets and paperwork. Without Power BI, it's a mess: manual calculations, scattered reports, slow decision-making, and constant frustration. You're spending hours trying to make sense of your data instead of focusing on growing your business. Now imagine a different way. With Power BI, everything changes. You can effortlessly analyze your business performance, visualize trends in real time, and make confident, data-driven decisions with ease. Power BI simplifies your business insights by turning raw data into actionable, real-time information in seconds. What Power BI can do for your business. Instead of scrambling to find answers in endless spreadsheets, you'll have everything organized in one interactive dashboard. With Power BI, you can monitor sales and revenue in real time. You can track expenses easily and manage your cash flow effortlessly. You can identify your best-selling products and focus on what works. And you can automate reports so you save time and work smarter, not harder. So everyone, no more guessing, just data-driven decisions. What's your biggest business data challenge? Let's discuss in the comments. Follow for more Power BI insights.